Hello my friends, myself Vikhyath bearing USN 1V19MT020 from Department of Mechatronics, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Guided by Professor Murugesh PD, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE SVC. Today I am going to present on my technical seminar as Augmented Reality and Virtual Reality, which will explain you two latest trending technologies that can change the way you look at the world. The terms can be confusing. Sometimes people think augmented reality and virtual reality are the same thing. Today we will make it clear. Agenda in this presentation. First one is abstract, then second augmented reality, virtual reality, basic differences. In fifth, the challenges and limitations. Sixth agenda is future scope of AR and VR technology. Seventh agenda is conclusion. Last one is references. Abstract. Its overview like AR stands for augmented reality while VR stands for virtual reality. Both technologies are important in today's digital landscape because they provide users with an immersive experience and can enhance the way we interact with the world around us. Second one, AR and VR technology have made significant contributions in various industries such as gaming, healthcare, retail, and manufacturing. In gaming, VR technology allows players to fully immerse themselves in the game, while in healthcare, AR technology is used to assist the surgeries and medical procedures. Then in retail, AR technologies is used to create virtual try-on experiences, while in manufacturing, VR technology is used for prototype and design. Third point, challenges and limitations. AR technologies has been around since the 1960s, while VR technology gained popularity in the 1990s. Key challenges and limitations include the high cost of equipment and development, as well as the potential negative effects on mental health and privacy concerns. The last one is the future of AR and VR technology is promising and potential innovations and opportunity for growth and development. Some future applications may include improved educations and training, enhanced virtual shopping experiences, and increased use in the entertainment industry. It is important to consider responsible and ethical use of these technologies to avoid negative consequences and ensure a positive impact on society. Now let's discuss about augmented reality. This is well-known app made by IKEA retailer. It helped shoppers to visualize how certain product will look like in their home before purchasing. The app overlays virtual versions of products onto real live image of customers' living space. So customer can have look at how it is suitable to their places. This is a Shopify.ai. Here we can see a customer can view his bicycle in virtual world. Also, you all are well known about Snapchat applications. You can add digital content such as additional noise, ears, text, and 3D images on your real-time images. These are just example of AR application. You can see in augmented reality applications, a digital layer is superimposed and the real physical world. Here we can see in the first video, it's been copied from real objects to the virtual screen. Further, as we have discussed in previous slides, the augmented reality is the mix of real world plus virtual world. To enhance the user experience, in short, we can say that the real world plus virtual world is a combination to augmented reality. So let's discuss a brief history. Ivan Sutherland, He created a system that overlaid computer-generated graphics onto real-world images. Further, in 1990s, Louis Rosenberg he found a AR technology that became the mainstream with the development of virtual fixtures system. Further in 20s, Layer and Vikhyath, it's a company, well-known company. It began to develop AR applications for mobile devices. In 2013, Google released Google Glasses, which was a wearable AR device that allowed users to access information through a small display. In today's era, AR and VR have become increasingly popular in industries like gaming, education, healthcare, and advertising, and it's likely that we will see even more exciting applications of these technologies in the future. So, applications of augmented reality. AR technology has applications in various fields, including education, healthcare, manufacturing, and entertainment. In education, AR can create interactive textbooks that make learning more engaging and interactive. In healthcare, AR can be used to train medical professionals and simulate surgery procedures, improving patient outcomes. In manufacturing, AR can improve productivity and quality control by providing workers with real-time information and guidance. AR can also be used in entertainment industry to create immersive gaming experience for users. Now let us discuss about virtual reality. Immerse yourself in a world of possibilities. Here, VR is a technology that generates a completely novel digital environment, offering users an immersive experience. Just imagine if you want to feel like you are walking on hillside moon or you are swimming under a sea using VR application, you can move to enter virtual world and you can feel like you exist in that virtual world. In short, we can define virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment and make you feel like you exist in that environment. It is done by simulating as many senses as possible, such as vision, hearing, touch, vibration, even smell. Let's discuss brief history of VR. So in 1950s, the Sensorama machine was invented. The concept of virtual reality dates back in 1950s when Morton Hellig created the Sensorama machine, which was designed to provide users with a multi-sensory experience. Further, in 1960s, Ivan Sutherland is a computer scientist created the first head-mounted display (HMD) that could simulate a virtual environment. 1990s consuming customers. VR technology became more accessible to consumers with the release of the Nintendo Virtual Boy, which has a gaming console that used a stereoscopic 3D display to create a virtual environment. In 1990s, however, the console failed to gain mass appeal due to its high price and lack of quality games. Further in 20s, advanced VR headsets. VR technology continued to improve, and companies like Oculus VR and HTC began to develop more advanced VR headsets. Further, 2012 to till date, Oculus VR launched a Kickstarter campaign for the VR headsets, the Oculus Rift, which raised over $2 million. The Oculus Rift was released to consumers in 2016 and helped to usher in a new era of VR gaming. Let's know about the application of virtual reality. VR has numerous applications in various fields, including gaming, education, healthcare, and architecture. In gaming, VR can be used to create fully immersive experience where player can feel like they are actually inside the game, like the Ravan movie. making the gameplay more engaging and exciting. In education, VR can be used to create virtual field trips, allowed students to explore different parts of the world without leaving the classroom, making learning more interactive and engaging. In healthcare industry, VR can be used for pain management and therapy, creating relaxing environment that help patients cope with chronic pain or anxiety, improving the overall treatment experience. In architecture, VR can be used to create virtual walkthroughs of buildings and design, allowing architects and clients to visualize and make changes to their projects in real time, saving time and resources in the design processes. So let us summarize the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. In augmented reality, a digital layer is superimposed on the real physical world. In virtual reality, computer technology is used to create a simulated virtual world. In AR, it is a mix of real world and virtual world. In VR, it creates entire virtual world. In AR, a user can clearly differentiate between real world and virtual world. In virtual reality, for a user, it is hard to differentiate what is real and what is virtual. In augmented reality, user is not cut off from the real world. In virtual reality, user is completely immersed in artificial world. He is cut off from the real world. In AR, it only requires AR-compatible smart devices such as smartphone, tablet, laptop, smart lenses, etc. In VR, it requires head-mounted devices or additional equipments to get fully immersed in virtual experience. These are the basic differences between augmented reality and virtual reality. Challenges and limitations of AR/VR. Despite the many benefits of AR/VR, there are several challenges and limitations that need to be addressed. So one of the biggest challenges is the high cost of hardware and software, which can make it difficult for small businesses and individuals to access these technologies, limiting their potential benefits. Another challenge is the need for specialized skills and knowledge to develop AR/VR applications, which can be a barrier to entry for small businesses and individuals. Limitations in terms of user experience include motion sickness and discomfort caused by prolonged use of VR headsets, which can reduce the appeal of these technologies to some users. Concern about privacy and security are also potential limitations, as AR/VR technologies collect large amount of personal data that can be vulnerable to hacking and misuse, highlighting the need for responsible and ethical use of these technologies. The future of AR and VR technology is promising due to increasing affordability and accessibility of hardware and software. Widespread adoption of AR and VR technology is expected across various industries. Advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning will enable more sophisticated AR and VR applications. Integration between AR and VR is expected, creating hybrid experiences that combine the best of both technologies. The future of AR and VR technologies is limited only by our imagination and creativity. Let's conclude AR and VR. So, AR and VR are transformative technologies that have the potential to change the way we live, work, and play. These technologies offer immersive experiences that were once only possible in science fiction and have numerous applications across various industries. While there are challenges and limitations to overcome, including high cost and specialized knowledge requirement, the future of AR and VR looks promising. Advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning will enable more sophisticated and intelligent AR/VR applications, while integration between the two technologies will create hybrid experiences. Responsible and ethical use of AR and VR technologies is crucial, and we must continue to address privacy and security concerns. It is to ensure that these technologies are used for the greater good. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible with AR and VR, we can look forward to a future full of exciting possibilities and limitless potential. These are the references. These are the five references which I have taken from IEEE Explorer. The first one paper title is A Systematic Review on the Visualization of Avatar and Agents in AR and VR Displayed Using Head-Mounted Displays. It was published in the year 2023. Second one is Emerging Technology in Interior Design Program in the UAE, Challenges and Solutions. This was published in 2022. The third paper is titled as A Study of Mobile Edge Computing in AR/VR Applications, published in the year 2022. Fourth one, Implementation of 5G Technologies in Rural Education of India, published in 2022. Fifth one is a design and application based. So it's a smart classroom based on VR plus AR technology, published same in 2022. So thank